I am broadcasting, okay. Both microphone and stuff. Okay, cool. Hwn yn gweithio wan? Microphone working now? Hwn yn gweithio wan? Yes, sweet! Hera, sorry about that. Dwi mor sorry am hynna. I have no idea why my microphone wasn't working last part. Last little test we did. Dim syniad, have no clue. Welcome i stream, or welcome i fod. Croeso i'r stream neu croeso i'r fod. Usual stuff, this is recorded live, mae'n cael recordio fyw, cos dwi'n mynd gallu fyny lwytho, I can't upload. Diolch os ydych chi'n lurcio o os ydych chi'n gwylio'r fod. Thank you for lurking for watching on the VOD. So, last part, it probably glitched on me. Nath o glitcho properly ar y gaian yna fi. I tried reloading it 3 times. Hugo still, it's up in part dewisais on the playlist, the last part. Part Dan 13, part 13 is on the playlist if you are looking for it. Hugo glitched for me. I found this is a PS4 glitch, but hwn yn glitch PS4. But what I did was, I had his room here, a gynnau ei safell yma, so I just locked him in his room. And I'm thinking if it was maybe too many Sims around him when he died or something, and they've got more Sims gylch peth marw, and green people couldn't get to him, so he eventually died. Nath eventually marw. So that was fun. So that meant I had to reload my save 3 times, and got reload a save fi tair waith. So things might look a little different. Ceridwen is gone for more of a androgynous, non-binary look, and dwi'n mynd ar gyfer look anhenaidd, androgynous. I love the style. So this is the style now. I aged up Maynard as well. Dwi'n gwybod si oedio fyny Maynard hefyd. But the traits. Calm, Maynard got calm. Creative and top-notch infant. So, don't think I got anything with toddler. I think I'll be a toddler. I don't know if you get anything with toddler. Os ti'n cael unrhyw beth ar gyfer toddler, dwi'n gwybod. So, yeah, that's fun. But today, we have like 3 birthdays today, because we've got Envis's birthday, penbwlydd Envis. But I'm also going to give, I might age up Maynard now, so I can get into the toddler stage while dan ni fod dal lot o oedolion, well, to the toddler stage where we have lots of adults, because it's very helpful to have adults. Mae'n really helpful cael lot mwy na just diet all in efo toddler. Also, I'm not sure what to do, because basically I have built, we've got 51,000 simoleons. I'm sure I aros yn tŷ yma, because the next generation is going to be 5, and it's going to be a struggle to get 5 in here. And di fod yn poen i trio cael 5. I don't know, we could get maybe 5 kids in here. It'd be fun, but we could possibly get 5 with the bunk beds and stuff. I'm not sure if it's worth moving them out. Dwi'n gwybod os mae'n gwerth symud nhw allan for the next gen, because I've got a house that I can I've built some houses for the next again a dau genhedlaeth nesaf. I've built some houses for the next two generations. So this one's the big 100 in mawr. It's based on my parents' house, ar adra. So it's like one big house, one like double terrace, mae'n gwybod yno, beth ydych chi gael fo. But it can fit like 8+ in here, to be honest with you. Os ti fo mods, if you have mods, I'm playing base game on PS4. It's 93,000 though, dim yn quite digon o gyfer hwnna, and I'm not using cheats. Or, ne, mae gennym ni hwn, which we can grow into, which is only 26,000. Mae mond 26,000, and we can build backwards to actually adeiladu nôl. The whole point of this was to be modular. Kind of like the idea of having at least 3 generations in this house. Now, do you guys 3 cenedlaeth? We would have, but basically the Fibonacci legacy, which is the un dwi'n neud, which is the one I'm doing, is the Fibonacci numbers, rhifa Fibonacci. So next gen is going to be 5. This gen is 3 kids, tree plant. Next generation is going to be 5. Then it's going to be 8 after that. Then 8 ar ôl hynna wedyn 13. Wedyn 21 and then 21. So I don't know if it's worth maybe prepping now for the future, or maybe like next episode we move them out. I think we could get 3 kids in here easily though. If we move Envis out, so I need to symud Envis allan. We've got 3 rooms, so this generation can stay here. So I'm gallu aros fama. I don't know what to do. Why are you're asleep? So yes, gonna need penbwlydd mewn hanner awr, so I'm just gonna get the needs done. So hopefully it's a bit less chaotic. Ma'n gobeithio fod dipyn bach llai chaotic. Ooh, also, there is new SDX drops. Yeah, XSD drop. I watched Little Simsy's video. Nes I gwylio video Little Simsy arno fo. And it looks really good for like 100 baby challenge. Little Simsy yn chwarae ar Twitch a YouTube. Wonderful YouTuber anhygoel. So now we have mae lunchbox newydd a swatches. There's new lunchbox and swatches, and you can use and signs as well. If the more useful for commuters. I haven't looked at what dim di gweld ar edrych ar bob dim, but these backpacks can actually be now used as storage. So I'm going to take one of them with me, with stuff for the kids for the party at gyfer penbwlydd. And then this one's really good because the kids can grab quick meals, which both are going to come with me. I really like that. That's a really cool little effect. I really like that because for like this sort of stuff. T-shirt bwyd hefyd. You want food as well. Betty Anna, do you need anything before the party? No, but I am gonna get you cael toys allan, and we're going to take some I think we take some like toys out with us. So in the bag now we have the homework, we have toys. Don't need 2 of you. So that's cool. So they got stuff to play with. One of stuff I chwarae hefo. You Betty and Anid, what do you need to do? Okay, so gobeithio. Kind of hoping. Betty Nid, what were you doing again? I want to put this in your inventory chdi. A hefyd ar gyfer fatha rag to riches, would be really good because you could grab drink, quick meal yn fo. But os ti fatha in later and the I love that, that's so good. Cool. Later and pethau fel one night we have a generation of like 8 or 13 pen of cenedlaeth o 8 neu 13. That's going to be so handy because that's going to be essentially chwarae level of 100 baby challenge kind of thing. So Teen Dries, why don't you come down here and you just like neud hynna, pa neud hynna? Babby is good, I want to say. Can you travel to get to trafeiddio efo infant? Pretty sure you can travel with an infant, right? Energy, oh. Yeah, ti'n gallu trafeiddio. I want to get them to get some food and then we'll probably go over to a party. Oh, actually, un o chi, one of you, I need you to have this, please. Municipal muses, okay. Okay. Hey. Cool. So yeah, I just like getting some of their needs done because man just helsach for penbwlydd. It's just easy with birthdays. So we're gonna try and redo Ceridwen's birthday, and we also have Enwis's birthday. So yeah, I don't really know what to do. I'm thinking once we, but I think in plan is once we age up Maynard, so I wanna do shot idea of a name Maynard one. I wanna age up Maynard. Is get them to the toddler stage. Then once they're at the toddler stage, once they've passed it, unwaith ma'n pasio fo, because as soon as Ceridwen is teenager, they can help with kids, I think, if I remember right. Ma'n gallu helpu efo plant. So that's good. And then once Ceridwen is a teenager, we get Envis out the house because Ceridwen can have their own room then. You know, I think dyna beth ni'n neud. I think we'll do it that way and stage it as stage of fel na. I don't really know exactly. Dwi ddim really gwybod yn exactly. So, pwy sy'n fo cacan? Who's got the cake? My Sims llai laggy, I think, as well. Yeah, dwi'n gwybod yn need. I want to say it's less laggy stream yma. I want to say it's less laggy this stream as well. But honestly, we'll see. Gawn ni weld. This is the Sims still. Hwn dal yn Sims. So gawn ni weld. Canwyllas dan efo, sweet. So nobody's going to eat that. That's cool. The cake's out on the side. Is the baby here as well? Yes, sweet. So everybody's here. Ceridwen's little dress is so cute. More cute. I haven't actually checked the horse ranch packs either. Yeah. So you know everybody, so ti'n gwybod everybody. I tried to get them to be you know, Ti'n gael o fatha... at least introduced to. So, Kurt, can you... Anyways, what are you going to do with that, Babby? How about we put... trying to cael pawb tu fewn. I'm trying to get everybody inside if I can. Get a set down here. Why don't you, like... Don't know if you... Dwi'n gwybod actually siarad. I don't know if these have actually talked, both of them talked for a good long while. Because it's just things been happening. Can I do a form... Can I get a... Okay, so mae'n ffordd, no, how do you do this? Sut ti'n neud hwn? You don't know Bella? No, ti definitely yn. Call over.
I'm nervous.
You definitely know Bella Goth. Chi di cyfarfod nhw before? You definitely know the Goth family. I think this is a way that I can maybe get them all to come over. So, wait, hold on. No, they definitely know each other. I did this last time. There should be some... You should check out... I want to try to get some more kids their age as well. I found, like, watching... So I've been watching, like, James Turner, YouTube, Little Sims4, and Kelsey and Peaches Me. And, I do get what they say now, that basically... No, I know you need rest. But, that basically there's a problem, well, not a problem, but it's like with the Sims game, when you like ti'n cael fatha when you have generations, pan ti'n fod genhedlaeth, it gets Lilith. Okay, that Lilith just pasio. Owl House Lilith, sorry. That it gets a issue with you. Chdi to pick up. Aren't you introduced to wait, ydy hwn di'r un sydd wedi fatha is there anywhere that you can put this baby? to sleep. I might do just a quick little like sim build mode. Put a random little baby bed in here because take a bud might need it. Actually, you can put it outside, right? Oh, Sim's gone glitchy. Put you under some shade. So just in case, when I just shut coven. Because of course, when I'm Beth normal in it, that's a completely normal thing to bring to a party. We bring, put like, there's a lack of kids stuff here. We have like a one here. Nanny. Don't diamond a lot. We don't need a lot. There we go, Nanny. So if you are tired, the only thing to point it out, the only thing I'm worried about this is the fact that basically last time I did this, they just held the baby and wouldn't give the baby back. I don't know how the baby null. I don't want to say it's done it again. Do you need that all? I have no clue beth sy'n digwydd. Why don't you so we have, oh, the little kids are here. Mae plant bach yma wan o'r diwedd. Oh, it's a kid. Wait. Cynthia Goth is aged up. That's cool. Do you wanna play here, Mama? Actually, Cynthia, because that's cute. That's really cute. Can you not play in this? So hold on, let's look at Cynthia. Ah, she's cute. Do this. I think might be slightly glitched. Okay, how about we maybe get you? Envis, put this child to sleep for now. My. You can eventually get acquainted with it, Manion. Ah, give me the child. Gada'r babi iddo fi, please. Who's that? Is that another goth? No, I know it. Okay. So, okay. That's the thing about the introducing. I honestly think it's easier for the kids to, you know, when they're toddler, when they're that oed toddler need. Put me now to bed. And then, TD Cyfarfod, have you met Cynthia before? No. Do a friendly introduction. I want to make sure, so I'll go after pethau penbwlydd. Don't know what to put it. Yeah, I don't know if that's a glitch. I don't know os mae'n glitch o gael rhywun arall. Cos mae'n interesting, cos it happened last time. Yeah, I know. Why don't you... Oh, no, that's where it is. Because this is going to be your generation. This is going to be like a right one. All the cousins is going to be the one that, you know. Have you done... Oh, ti'n gwybod pawb? You don't know everybody yet. My... It's still just... I don't know why they like... Just chatted on that. I don't know why they like sitting here. What I might do in a second is, we want to put the baby to sleep. Unwaith yn neud babi I crio. I think I'm just gonna... Okay, so to neud it, how do you do it? You just add to group. Right? Nah. I'm assuming I'm doing it right. Dwi'n credu I'm doing it right. Okay, I need to introduce them first. Wait. You don't know those? Okay. So I don't know, right? Don't know a lot of the Goth family. We've got lots of Goth family. Okay, so we need to add add to group. So this is what I've seen. If you add them all to a group and you can be like, hey, come here, then we can do the candles and we can do some photos and a lluniau, because we have lots of lluniau ar y wall. We have lots of pictures on the wall. But the whole point of this legacy is to have photos and stuff. Actually, do I want to do like a permanent group? I don't know. I'll have to see how that for non-events. I go a group permanent, because I could do that. Do a permanent group. Just do it a family in teuluol. So that'd be cool. So good. Family's here. So once we've done that, once we've done an introduction to all of them, wait, if we've done a group, ti'n gwybod pawb, you know everybody already. Can we add you to the group then? Because then we can start doing that's what I know. Dyna be ni isio. So we'll go here together. And then no, do that, because may not need sleep. Circles. Oh, looks like a... Oh, new sim. So they're like more random since I've been in Get Gold. Soothe to sleep. So theoretically, everybody should be going here now then? Power to up Palmant? Yeah, everybody's safe from the side. Bertie Nade, what are you doing? No, don't put down here. Oh my days, beth yn digwydd. Put them in the... No! Just need canwyll yma. Put them down there. Pick up. Sorry. Just... It's nice to meet you, kid. So put that down there. Don't touch the baby. Let the baby just sleep. Yeah, and I'm just entering a game by throwing a rocking birthday party. I'm trying. I'm honestly trying. Don't put the baby down there. Let the baby sleep. Okay, sorry. I'm not just annoyed at the game. Just let them sleep. Okay, cool. So, no, Clotey, you've done a group. Can you do... Because there's a load. Can Clotey, where are you now? Oh, you should be able to get a good picture. So basically, in my Legacy Challenge and Legacy Challenge V, I'm trying to get... Sorry, I just got really annoyed by that. Take photo of... No, just take photo. Because I don't have the, Clotimond. You had perfect angle there. They're right there. Clotimond. That's so weird. Yeah, I want you to take a picture before... No, before everybody goes. Well, I'm gonna clean this. That's a really pretty place. But can we do like... No, that's a terrible picture. That's a nice picture. It's all the little kids talking together. So I think we go, and we don't have Clunia. We need to blow the cake out first, though. And then I think we take like Envis. You wanna come here and blow your candles out so you can age up? I chdi ydio fyny. And then pawb arall come here and celebrate, and I think then everybody should come here and celebrate. We will be aging up Maynard as well because it's just easier. I know, we might do that tomorrow. Llanid Davore. Where's Kurt? It's getting more and more chaotic. It's getting more and more chaotic to try and do what I want to do, which is get, you know, nice pictures of like birthdays and stuff. Cael lluniau neis o penbwlydd. Can you take a photo now? If I time this right, you can get like a birthday photo. Cael sip of coffee. I think it's gone okay for a semi-good birthday party. Can you not get to it? Oh, that's cute. Pretend this was the birthday from the other day. Gonna cock it out oes penbwlydd a diwrnod o blaen. Wait, ti'n gallu cynnig? Is the cat down in the ffordd? The chair's in the way. Okay, this might have been a real birthday party. Just gyfer one. Post the video, I will fix this back up. I'm wondering us, maybe that'll fix it? How can you tell Sims player has been here since mae'r team wedi wneud o? So now you should be able to. Yay! Kind of. You know? So they're adult now. Don't know os ma' 'na gwahaniaeth. I don't know if there's actually a difference in them. But that's cool. So let's have a look. Yeah, penbwlydd successful, I guess. What's in the goth gone? I'm gonna get them the kids to talk together. Okay. Ah, Natty. So, can we get any good photos from here? Kind of. And then really. Belagoth? Where's Belagoth gone? We don't want that. Okay, well, sure, that's fine. What are you looking at? Penny D ddim tynnu llun. Take a picture with your take photo with thingy. There's a lot of it. So I'm trying to do this so like at least, you know, every event digwyddiad we've got something. I'm kind of annoyed the cheat to make your friendship. Okay, do you want to have a moment? That's your toilet. Good toilet. I think we use this time to just get kids. So, did you cyfarfod pawb do? Yeah, you have met everybody. Yeah, that's cool. So you have met everybody. Maen nhw'n cysgu. Why don't we do... we can't age up, then I gallu oedio fyny, but do we need to... oedio fyny thing? I think we need to add birthday candles. And I think we... go to Maynard, and we might as well do another aging up now. I'm not hapus, but It's okay, it's all good. So ti'n gallu mynd fyma, and then you may be able to have... Are you two romancing each other? Okay, so we've got this. So what plan? We back on plan.
Oh, Benarf.
Keep it Dory.
It's early, but I want to get a toddler. We should get a toddler. Okay, so Mandy, I do fyny. Bennett, bonus trait. That's cool. Did he got? What have you got? Silly. Okay, that's cute. I bet ti'n edrych fel, how do you look like? You look so cute. It's very, very cute. Oh, and this you got here. Well, you missed your child's birthday. Okay. Oh. Oh, glitched. Cool. That's, yeah. Oh, beautiful moment from The Sims there. I'm trying to get the other kids. Oh, the other kids disappeared. Okay, so I think we maybe just go home. No, Adja, we need to change you to a toddler bed now. But equally chaotic. It was equally chaotic, but kind of, you know. Don't do that. Do come here. I want you to take a picture. To clean. Or and then do Maynard. Maynard not coming up yet. Oh, okay, in here. Cannot take a picture of a child, of a toddler. In here. That's kind of annoying. Oh, I don't know. I mean, yeah, happy birthday, kid. I'm with hapus. I think maybe we all just travel home because my pawb eisiau cysgu. We all need sleeps. I know stay early to age them up. Oh, they're just houseach. Honestly, just easier to do it. Yeah, I'd just honestly houseach to do that. But we got a birthday party, got a pawb gyda penbwlydd, got a pawb. Got a well-loved infant thing, so mae'n all good. Got a bit socialising, got about a bit more of the family, got to know a bit more of the family and stuff. So yeah, I'm thinking definitely this is going to be a plan because man just house and less chaotic. Unless it's actually chaos, unless you want chaos. But I think that's going to be the next gen is going to be much more chaotic. Because we need to have 5. Mae fy cenedlaeth nesaf yn fod mwy chaotic because then ni'n 5 plant. And then I didn't 8 and then 8, so you know, fun there. I want to say as well, I think Kurt is the next one to age up. Kurt yw y nesau i oedio fyny. Mynd nôl adre. I think we just, because we got pawb yn cysgu, but we'll get some stuff sorted for the kids as well. I think we'll need to get a toddler bed one. Gwely toddler. Or the other one I can do is I can wait till one of them is a teen, which is not too far away to Marwolaeth, then have the third baby. A wedyn cael y trydydd babi. I think that's honestly a little bit easier. Dipyn bach o sach fanna. Yeah, it might actually be a little teeny bit easier, that one. So planning all this now. Oh, you get to a kid just before hefyd. Oh, and a hawsach, that makes it so much easier. So then you go on a planting, you're gonna be a kid. There'll be a teen. Be adult, and then Kurt is going to be an elder, but if we try and cael babi rhwng fama, we have a baby here, that kind of mynd kind of gweithio allan, and then it's not too chaotic. A wedyn, yr un nesa, we can do it. I think we can do this. Da ni'n gallu neud o. We need a toddler bed gyntaf before we do anything. Just put this in inventory because we're gonna need it again. Danny and Elmo Eiliad. Okay. Don't know why. Honestly, I think I should have just not thrown it away. Cool, so gan ni gwely gyfer fo. I think we have all the other stuff from a toddler. Don't think we need to buy any more toddler stuff because it's the kids room already set up. My kids room wedi set you in barod. But yeah, I think once we get to teenager age, we get them separated into like different rooms. You go sleep. Yeah, ti yn cysgu. Can you please and diolch. Why are you scared? Okay. Teen, okay, you are all good. You are complete with that, but when do you have work pan ti fo gwaith? 17 hours, so let's just get you to then team and gysgu. You have you done your homework? Do you need to go catcher? Yes. You need food. And then I want to say all of them should be good then. So we should get a bit of normality. Come on, gad fi oed e. So I've done also, sorry, because the glitch game pan eisiau fildio, I did this for a child thing for Ceridwen, but yeah, I feel like that might be a good little spot for us to finish in the Iofan. So yeah, diolch pawb yn ddod. Thank you everyone for coming. Diolch pawb sydd wedi gwylio ar fod or watch live on stream. Still a little bit chaotic. Dwi ddim yn cyn gymaint chaotic. But it's getting there. I'm probably going to work on this. Halfway through I'll probably do another bit more of a playthrough of it, but because it's just building skills and stuff, ma'n just adeiladu skills pethau. Dwi'n meddwl llawer yn ganol pethau, so chi'n dall, it's not a lot in between stuff. So I don't really know. Dim really gwybod be I need. If you'd like to see actually in between, or just the chaotic birthday stuff at the moment, because it's not quite like growing together and stuff, because I don't have that, so dwi'n hefo pethau gyd, os ti'n dall. But yeah, diolch i gwyth, thank you for watching. I hope you keep safe, cael pawb cadw'n saff, lle mae gyda chi, a cael dydd dda, cael have a good day.